Hey guys, Ramel here from Ceramic Garage, and we're excited to drop our newest products, the pressure washer gun and the foam cannon. I'm gonna go over some of the features. The pressure washer gun has nickel-plated brass quick connects with high-quality stainless steel fittings. It also is compatible with our foam cannon. At a 5200 PSI, that's a lot of pressure it can handle. Has an easy pull trigger with a rubber grip. We also have a detachable wand that comes off. So here we have our stainless steel fittings. This is going to be our rubber grip with our easy pull trigger that has an easy quick connect. And for our nozzles, we have 7 different nozzles with different degrees depending on what you're cleaning. This is also going to be an easy quick connect with our foam cannon. So here we have our foam cannon, which is one of the best in the market. Has a clear bottle. You can see your dilution ratios. It has thick foam suds with a wide mouth for maximum coverage. It comes with a 34-ounce bottle and it has an adjustable fan width. All right, so let's unbox the foam cannon. So we got our wide mouth, we got our clear bottle for dilution, we have our adjustment from the top for the pressure, we have our fan direction, and then we have our fan width adjustment. So this is going to be compatible with your pressure washer gun with a quick connect right at the end, and now you have it. You can get to pressure washing your car. All right, so now we're going to go over how to use the foam cannon. We have an amazing wide mouth, makes it easy to pour. Here we're using hydro foam on this ZL1 Camaro behind us. Why we are using hydro foam? Because it is previously ceramic coated, and this is going to also enhance it. So we're going to be putting 2 to 4 ounces of hydro foam and fill the rest with water for the best dilution ratio. All right, so we just got done using our new pressure gun and cannon. Did an amazing job, easy to use. We're finishing up this ZL1 Camaro, and we're on to the next.